This brief video is going to show you how to take and walk you through the steps of the theme test. So here I am on Wednesday in my reading course. I'm going to go down and click on the theme test. Now this brings me to the screen where I created the test. You will not see this screen. It will take you directly to a screen that looks like this, where it tells you that the theme test, it is out of 23 points and you have one attempt. And you will then click Start New Attempt. That will then take you into the actual theme test. You will see your paragraphs at the top, and then it starts off with multiple choice questions. To the left, you will see a menu of options that you have. The first one is a review. If I click on that, I can go back and see all of the questions and any questions that I've flagged or that I haven't answered. After that is the accessibility. If I click on this, I can change the color scheme to make it easier to read. I can change the font size also to make it easier to read, or it also has some zoom options. The third one down is to flag. If I am stuck on a question and I want to flag it to move on, I click the flag button, and then when I go to review, it'll show me that this question I flagged, that I need to go back and take a look at it. The next option down is I can hit the eliminate choices, and then I can actually click on and eliminate some of these choices. When I'm ready to move on to a new question, I simply use these numbers and the next down here. I can either click on the next button and that will take me, or I can click on the number 2 and that will take me to the next question. And you will see the first few are very similar to what we've done in class or what we did yesterday in the Kahoot. It has a short story and then a multiple choice question. So same thing for number 3 and for number 4 and for number 5. It's the same multiple choice question along with a short story. Then when we get to number 6, it is now asking you what happens in the story that leads you to believe your answer from number 5 from this story and this question is correct. So you'll read this story about Curtis, answer the multiple choice question, and then go to number 6 and actually type in what happens in the story that leads you to believe that your answer is correct. And then you'll have a similar set of questions for 7 and 8. For 7, you'll read about Dan and Doug and answer which multiple choice question you think is the theme, and then for 8, it'll ask you to type in your evidence from that story. And then the same thing for 9 and 10. You'll read about Lucas, answer your multiple choice question here, which one you think is the theme. And then for 10, you'll type in your answer. And one more time for numbers 11 and 12, you'll read about Alan, click and select your answer for the theme. And then for number 12, type in your evidence. Now these are not racers. You're just giving me a sentence or two of what happens in the story. Number 13 then is the actual racer here. So it reviews what racer is, restate, answer, cite, explain, and review. There's a short story on Mr. Tuttle. And then you're going to actually type in your racer down here. Then when you're finished, you'll hit review, and it'll show you should have all of these answers. It's showing me that I haven't answered any of these because I haven't, but it should show you any flags, and then if you've skipped any, and then you'll go ahead and click finish, and it'll say, are you sure you want to submit? And then you'll submit it. As I've said repeatedly yesterday, I will be by my computer all day today. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me in Schoology and I will get right back to you, or just pause the test and wait till our office hours begin. All right, good luck, do your best.